So next we have CCleaner. CCleaner is a software to clean your browser, your internet browser files, temporary files, cookies, history, the recent website you visited, and all that stuff. You have maybe for your system, you can empty your recycle bin, temporary files, in your hard drive, Windows folder. You have the temp folder. You can clean this folder. Also in the Explorer, let's say, sometime your OS have a option there, which is recent documents you open. You don't want people to see that stuff, so it's cleaning that. It's cleaning your run. So let's say you do a start run, you type comment. You won't want people to see this, so you can clean it. It's more security. It's more for security. You have the registry, so you can scan your registry for any problems or corruption. Yeah, for registry, sometime there's a lot little software that install a specific registry, so this way you can delete it. If you go in tools, you have the uninstall section, which act like the start, control panel, add remove programs, but you can do this from this software. Startup, it's the list of startup program when I boot my computer, so you can disable some to have a faster boot, but be careful because right there, let's say AVG9 and ZoneAlarm, I need them to start at the same time than my computer because my internet connection is starting immediately, so I need a firewall and an antivirus. Right there, it's a restart sticky note. It's my sticky note right there on the right of my screen. System restores the restore points you have on your Windows system. You can remove them to get some space. And the option section, setting, want to start CCleaner at startup. So right there, it's pretty cool. You have cookies. You can keep cookies you don't want the CCleaner to remove each time. You can include folders or file you want to be always removed by the software, or you can even exclude a files or a folder from the scan of CCleaner. Advanced, have some option right there. You can look at it. So that's it for CCleaner. Next, Defraggler. So Defraggler is a defragmenter. It's like the one in Windows. So you do start all programs, accessories, system tools. This the fragmenter. It's the same thing, but this one there is more convenient. If you ask me, more simple. You have a nice option. You can do, let's say, my C drive there. I can do an analyze. It's gonna be fast because I don't have a lot of files on it. So right now, if I go in the, it says 535 file, so I go there and I have a list of the files. So let's say I just want to defrag this one. I can check this one, do a defrag, and that's it. I don't need to defrag all of the drive, but normally you do it on all the drive. It's just a nice option. You can do a quick defrag, a long defrag. You can go in the option, you have a lot of stuff, change language, you can change right there option, the quick defrag, you can customize it, you can customize the rule, so you can just fragment small file, exclude, you can exclude file or folders from your defrag, which is pretty useful. You can set a specific time for your defragmentation. So you can even select two drives at the same time and do a defrag on both drive. And that's it. You can look at all the options by yourself after. And finally, Recuva, which is a really nice software. Sometime, let's say you delete a file, it's going on your recycle bin, and oops, you did empty recycle bin, yes, oh, the file is gone. What I'm gonna do, huh? Well, with Recuva, you can recover deleted file, but it's not only working for Windows, it's also working for your MP3 player, your digital camera. You delete your photos. It's pretty nice. So there you do next, and you have the option here. You can specify a specific type of files, or you can do others to show all files. So let's do next, and there it's gonna ask you, I'm not sure, so it's gonna search everywhere on the computer. You can specify a iPod, deleted music, my documents folder, the recycle bin, or you can do a specific location. So let's say the recycle bin. You can do okay, there. If you check enable deep scan, it's gonna be a long scan, but it's gonna give you better result. Or you can uncheck it and do a quick scan, and you're gonna get good result also. But maybe let's say a file you delete 1 day ago, with a quick scan you can get it, but a file you delete 2 weeks ago, you need a deep scan to get this back. Okay. So let's say I uncheck it, I do quick scan, I do start, gotta wait, maybe I'm gonna find nothing. So right now I found something. So if you look at it, I have some files there. I can do, let's say, I'm gonna switch to advanced mode. So you can see there I'm the recycle bin, I have info. So the color means, green means right there you can, excellent means I can restore it. I have a little information, the path, the size, creation time, last modification, last access. Okay, so green means I can recover it. Yellow means there's a good chance you cannot recover it. Red means you need to pray to recover it. So let's say I check this one and this one, I say recover. It's gonna ask me where you want to recover the desktop. You're sure you want to recover to the same drive? It reduces the chance, yes. So normally you choose another drive maybe and recover 2 files in 0.1 second. If I look at this, I have them both files. So for this, just an example, say it's a .tmp file, which is not really good, but it's giving you a little preview. So let's say I close this, I start it again, do yes, next, other. I'm not sure, it's everywhere on my computer. Next, quick scan, start. It's gonna do a quick scan of my computer, and oh, there it is. We have a lot of choice. So you see green, yellow. If you go on red, you have unrecoverable. So that's it. Oh, you have, yeah, I forgot about it. You have the options there. If you want to do deep scan, you need to check this. You can scan from the deleted file. That's for recovery from damaged or reformatted drive. So let's say you have a corrupted hard drive, you need to check this one to activate the non-deleted file detection. You have a show 0 byte files, securely overwritten files. So let's say just right now deep scan, okay. If I do scan, it's gonna take a lot of time. No, sorry, it was the floppy drive disk. So let's say I do on the C drive, scan. See there, 10 minutes, 15, 20, 30, it's gonna increase. It's a long scan, but it's a successful scan. So right now I can go back to fast scan, do scan. It's fast, but my results are limited. Sometimes they're limited to files you modify maybe today, yesterday. As you see there, it's 2-day files. So it's a really nice software. It's gonna save your ass sometime. So that's it for my video. Thanks for watching, and if you have any comments, suggestion for from my video, next videos, you can send those suggestion comments at LearnNGo@gmail.com. You can also send any PayPal donation, any amount at LearnNGo.